Greatest functionality on the market. Our superstar Mondelez slicer for kitchen has 3 interchangeable blades. Mondelez to millimeters. Mondelez 5 millimeters. Julienne blade to meet all your slicing and chopping needs. Simple to use, set up, and clean. Save time and energy during meal prep. Compact and practical. Our vegetable Mondelez slicer can be fully disassembled with ease, and the included blade box means that worrying about storage and organization is a thing of the past. Plus, this kitchen gadget is dishwasher safe and comes with a specialized cleaning tool, making cleaning a breeze, keeping you and your family safe. We know our stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp. Our set therefore comes with a finger guard and protective glove to keep you safe whilst you are using the spiral slicer and a cleaning brush. The ABS plastic is non-toxic and BPA-free, guaranteeing healthy meals for your family. No mess and no slips. Our clear catch tray makes cooking so much more convenient. No mess and no messing around. It makes cleaning effortless, and our non-slip base also makes your slicing and grating that much easier. Looking for cooking gifts or home gifts? Our Mondelez slicers make great kitchen gifts for women as well, great gifts for men too. But whoever ends up using this product, read the instruction manual provided with the slicer closely before use. If you have any questions or issues regarding the vegetable slicer, please do not hesitate to send the seller a message through Amazon and we will respond within 24 hours.